How to see what files are taking up space in your hard drive. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see what files are taking up space in your drive. So let's begin. First off, open up your settings. After you open up your settings, go to System. After you're on your system, you will need to scroll down till you find Storage. If you find Storage, tap on it and open it up. Now here you will see what your local disk is, has what your local disk has. If it only shows this much, you can see more by tapping on show more categories. And there you can see that, but we are not looking for local disk. We'll just scroll down and there you will find advanced storage settings. Tap on it. Now here what you'll need to go to is disks and volumes. After you tap on that, you will find your hard drive option here. I don't have a hard drive, so I'll just open up my C drive. So tap on properties of your hard drive and then go to view uses. After you go to view users, you will see all of the files that are taking up space on your hard drive. Now you can go more inside this and find out everything, whatever inside there, and it will take some time to load, but you can wait and find that out. That is how you find out what files are taking up space in your hard drive. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.